G'day, I'm Michael Linky, the Chief Executive at Recreational Aviation Australia. Did you know that we're the largest aviation organisation in Australia? We've got over 10,000 members, 3,200 aircraft on our register and 160 flight training schools across the country. I cite three key benefits that RALs can offer our members. And the first, of course, is the self-declared medical. The second benefit we offer is anybody competently or who does some training through RALs can maintain their own aircraft. So you're not sending your aircraft to another maintainer or not incurring costs to somebody to maintain your aircraft. The third key benefit is broad-based public liability insurance. So as a member of RALs, your membership fees include a component of insurance, which gives you comfort and knowledge that if something does go wrong, that you do have that access to the insurance coverage. We often say we want a pilot in every home, and that's true. We want to see everybody in Australia having access to some form of piloting, and RALs can offer that across our school network. So it's important if you're interested in learning to fly, whether it's a career, whether it's recreational, or it's something you just want to do with mates on the weekend. It doesn't matter. Our network of schools has got that opportunity for you. It's really an organisation for anyone that is keen to fly. Recreational Aviation Australia is the place for you.
Two and a half years ago, I started learning how to fly, and I wasn't expecting to love flying as much as I do. I absolutely love flying, and it's become a passion for me. The freedom that I experience when I'm up in the air, it's the most incredible feeling. I have had so much support from Recreational Aviation Australia right from the start, whether it be looking for support or to mentor, someone to talk to, or you've got a technical question. RALs are always there to help. I'd absolutely encourage everybody to give flying a go. It's the most incredible experience. For me, it's done wonders for my confidence. Every time you do something new, it's a little bit scary, and then you get out there and you do it, and you're like, wow, I totally handled that, and your confidence just goes up another level. That's what's been the most incredible thing about learning to fly for me.